YouTube, welcome back to another video, man. I got my guy Darren in the chair finally. This is going to be a high taper tutorial. Y'all see, the first thing I did is I washed and combed out my client's hair. I'm going to set my bald guideline in with my cocoa trimmers, and then I'm going to set my first guideline in with my lever open. I'm going to go about a ½ inch, making sure that guideline is even. And then I'm gonna go with my one guard closed, flick it out towards the top. I really don't have to go up too high since the last time I cut him. This guy is irregular. I'm gonna go with my 0.5 guard all the way closed, and I'm gonna detail the top, kind of detailing the bulk at the top. And then I'm gonna go back down with my 0.5 guard and take the middle guideline that I created. And then I'm gonna take my lever closed and flick out the bottom ball guideline. And my fading steps are going to be the same on each side of the taper. Like I said, y'all, same steps on the side, and then I'm gonna use the same steps on the back of the nape area. This taper is really, he got a stringy hair texture on the taper area, man. It's just like, I don't know what it is, bro. This haircut is difficult. This haircut is difficult, and you can mess this up. You could go too high, you could bring the fade up too high. You could cut off the wrong hair because he has like indents and things like that. He kind of has like some kind of skin condition going on too. So I actually have to razor his lineup in because the trimmers will just destroy it. Even if you lightly tap, it just destroys it kind of. I still use the razor. I'm still learning his haircut in the best way that I could, you know what I'm saying, make sure he's clean and not destroy his skin. Usually everybody, a lot of the rest of my other clients, I could, you know what I'm saying, do my regular steps and, you know what I'm saying, cut a little, like cut, you know what I'm saying, just different. But with him, I just got to be a lot more gentle. But this side of the taper blurry too, I ain't gonna lie. And y'all, I love the sweet life as much as I love it, as much as I love the independency and, you know what I'm saying, the fact that I can, you know what I'm saying, work myself in the suite. I have to go back to the barbershop, man. I just had a conversation with one of the owners, and I got to get back on my feet and back to, you know what I'm saying, my goals and where I want to be. And I'll be having to leave something behind. Hopefully it doesn't mess up me and my other friends' friendship, but I gotta go back and I gotta do what I gotta do and what I was meant to do. This barbershop is where I started. I have a couple of videos of me in that barbershop. But this is gonna be a growth thing, and you're gonna see me grow in this barbershop, and it's gonna help me learn how to run my own barbershop. And to be honest with you, I love the city that I'm in. I would love to move to a different city and do the same things, but you know what I'm saying, I want to make it happen in my city. I don't want to go nowhere else. I would love to travel to other cities and make connections and do other things in different cities, but I love my city, and I would love to make it happen in my city. This lineup, man, y'all can tell, man, he kind of got a little skin condition, and his taper areas, they grow backwards on both sides. And then his front line, I comb it down just a little bit. I can't really raise the lineup as a fro like that, so I have to put some shaving gel on there. But for right now, I'm razoring the vertical bars dry. Y'all can see they're really, really straight. And then my client does request enhancements. I kind of put the enhancements on there deep. I OD with the enhancement. I put it on there. He could definitely leave it natural. It does look nice and natural, but my client likes enhancements. I probably could have, toned it down a little bit, but at the end of the cut, he loved it. And yeah, man, he loves the enhancement. I just hope y'all enjoy this another type of artwork, man. This is what some people like to enjoy. YouTube, man. This is the cut, man. High taper with a little fro, the little curves on top. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know if I violated with the enhancements. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at CryptoCuts. Hit that subscribe button.